Hurricanes are among the most powerful and destructive natural disasters on Earth. The combination of high winds, torrential rain, and storm surges can devastate entire communities in a matter of hours. But here's the good news. With proper preparation and the right actions, you can significantly improve your chances of staying safe and minimizing the impact. In this video, we're going to cover essential survival strategies for hurricanes. What to do before, during, and after the storm. Whether it's building a reliable emergency kit, securing your home, or knowing when to evacuate, these tips will arm you with the knowledge you need to protect yourself and your loved ones. Let's dive in. The best way to survive a hurricane is to prepare well in advance. Once a hurricane warning is issued, time is limited, so start your preparations now. Build a comprehensive emergency kit. Include a 3-day supply of water, 1 gallon per person per day, non-perishable food, a flashlight, extra batteries, a first aid kit, prescription medications, a multi-tool, and important documents stored in a waterproof container. Don't forget pet supplies and comfort items like a small radio or a power bank for your devices. Know your evacuation zone. Hurricanes can bring storm surges that make certain areas unsafe. Identify your evacuation zone and know the quickest routes to local shelters. Keep your car's fuel tank full during hurricane season to avoid getting stranded. Secure your home. Install storm shutters or board up your windows with plywood. Bring outdoor furniture, trash bins, and anything else that could become a projectile indoors. Clear gutters and downspouts to reduce the risk of water damage. Once the storm begins, your focus should be on staying safe and avoiding unnecessary risks. Shelter in place. Find an interior room with no windows, preferably on the lowest floor. If flooding is a concern, move to higher ground within your home, but avoid attics unless you have an escape route. Stay updated. A battery-powered NOAA weather radio can provide critical updates when power and internet connections fail. Stay informed about the storm's progress and any emergency instructions. Avoid the danger zones. Floodwaters are extremely hazardous. Not only can moving water knock you off your feet, but it can also conceal sharp debris, open manholes, or even electrical hazards. Never attempt to drive through flooded roads. Turn around, don't drown isn't just a saying, it's a life-saving rule. Even when the winds die down, dangers may still exist. The aftermath of a hurricane requires careful steps to ensure your continued safety. Wait for official clearance. The calm eye of a hurricane often misleads people into thinking the storm is over. Follow updates from emergency services and wait until they confirm it's safe to go outside. Inspect your home carefully. Check for structural damage, gas leaks, and water infiltration. If you see downed power lines or sparking wires, stay far away and report them immediately. Water and food safety. Tap water may not be safe to drink immediately after a hurricane. Stick to bottled water until local authorities declare the water supply safe. Discard any perishable food that's been without refrigeration for more than 4 hours. Help your community. If you're in a position to do so, lend a hand to neighbors or local emergency response teams. Sharing resources and information can help the entire community recover faster. Let's review the key takeaways. Before the storm, prepare an emergency kit, secure your home, and plan your evacuation route. During the storm, shelter in place, stay informed, and avoid floodwaters. After the storm, inspect your surroundings carefully, wait for official guidance, and prioritize water and food safety. Preparation and smart decision-making are your greatest tools for surviving a hurricane. Are you ready for hurricane season? Don't wait until the last minute. Take the steps we've discussed today to protect yourself and your family. Build that emergency kit, secure your home, and have a plan in place. If you found this video helpful, share it with friends and family. This information could save lives. And if you want to stay ahead of the game with more survival tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, the time to act is now.